Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with a super cool and beautiful, just intensely well-built product. This is from OWCdigital.com. You reviewed a number of different products from them over the years on the Chris Voss Show. Be sure to search for those. You can see all the wonderful things they do. In fact, we power our computers with their SSDs, so they're pretty freaking awesome. This is their Thunderblade. It is an extreme performance that's designed for as a working drive for media professionals and pure transfer speed. It's the fastest external drive that OWC has ever made. And this thing is not only fast, but it's incredibly freaking beautiful, slick, solid, sleek, just a great looking device to put on your desk, and kind of obscure when it comes down to it. It's not something that most people might not, hey, what is that? So that might be kind of good sometimes. So someone doesn't lift it off your desk. It's got data speeds of up to 2,800 megabytes per second, capacities up to 8 TB, daisy chain available up to 6 Thunderbolt 3 devices, rugged portability and sleek design, includes a custom fit ballistic hard shell case, and it's got the OWC 3-year limited warranty. It's won a number of awards from different shows and things of that nature. And wow, yeah, you can use it with soft raid. 2 Thunderbolt blades can reach dizzying heights of up to 3,800 megabytes per second. Otherwise, you have transfer speeds of 2,800 megabytes per second. This Thunderblade, it just works really freaking fast, and I think you'll love it from what it has in it. So it's got 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports built into it, so you can daisy chain if you want. You can run up to 6 devices per port, and it just amplifies your laptop, your desktop, and your peripheral power. It just really rock and rolls. And wow, you can just have wonderful workflow and storage solutions for all of your pros doing all the different things. It's capable capacity for up to 5 levels of RAID and bonus features like freedom to daisy chain and hot swap. Pretty crazy, all the stuff you can do with it. You can, of course, work this with your Windows devices as well. In testing it, we were super impressed. It is just blazing speed, and wow, it just works wonderfully. Looks incredibly beautiful as well, and you'll be able to enjoy it for years to come. I think so. Go to OWCdigital.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss approved, and check out the new Thunderblade from these folks. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.